Hello, Hussein Shafali.
Good afternoon, all teachers and students present in the auditorium. I am here to deliver a speech regarding the time. What do you understand by the time? Time, a value of time. Time is the delicious in anyone's life. We should not waste time in a way value of time. Time is the delicious in anyone's life. We should not waste time in any way likewise. We can earn the amount of money, but we can never get back. But we can not get back the time we have lost. However, this makes our time valuable. Thank you very much.
Okay, thank you. Just welcome to Muhammad Abdul Rahman Bashir. Muhammad Abdul Rahman Bashir. Hello, Sabiam. Hello.
Good afternoon to the respected teachers and students. I will take ahead of you a speech about health and fitness. Health and fitness keeps our body and mind healthy and peaceful. It brings physically, mentally, spiritually, and socially. The people are busy on business. They face a lot of big health problems. For our honors in the life. Thank you.
Okay, thank you. Let me just welcome Masla Hisham Abdulsalam. Masla Abdulsalam Hisham.
My name is Masla Hisham Abdulsalam. I live with my parents. I learned to run private school. Our school has some problem. Thank you, teachers and the students. Thank you.
Okay, thank you, Hisham. Okay, let me just welcome Zakaria Ilmi duo. Zakaria Ilmi duo. Okay, Zakaria Ilmi duo. Sabiam.
My name is Zakaria Ilmi. I want to talk about my friend. My friend is Muhammad Ahmed Bashir. He's a good friend. He's like play football and
he was the friend duo. Okay, let me just welcome to Siham Ala Ibrahim. 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 Very good. Siham Jaran. Mulki Dagana Jaran. Mulki Dagana Jaran. Mulki Dagana Jaran. Hello, Sabiam.
I want to talk about my
Abdulghani Muhammad Abdul Sabiam. Hello, Sabiam. Muhammad Abdul.
My name is Abdulghani. I live with my family. I have two sisters. I like my family. Thank you, teachers and students.
Muhammad Amin Abu. Okay, clap for him.